So you're expecting us to bow down when we hear this? Uh, well, we're not gonna do it. Should we tell them that we got plans for next week? Okay, they don't need to know. What we supposed to be doing next week? We're not gonna bow. We're not gonna bow. If you put us in, we're not gonna bow. And if you don't put us in, it is what it is. We still not gonna bow. At the end of the day, we're not bowing. And we saying that in unity. We're not gonna bow. Okay? We're not bowing. Oh. So you gonna put us in a fiery furnace, are you? Oh. Okay, we're gonna try not to laugh because this is gonna infuriate them. Oh, okay. So you're gonna put us in a fiery furnace? Oh, okay. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. They're coming to get us. Okay. Here we go. You ain't got to grab me. I will volunteer to go. We're gonna get on in there. Okay. Here we go. This is hot. Man, those guys got burnt up putting us in here. Hey, brother. Jesus. It's awesome that you're in here. I knew you would show up. We knew you would show up. Those are the fools out there. They think we're gonna bow. We're sold out to y'all. That don't make no sense. One day they're gonna learn they can't mess with God's people. All right. Thanks for being here with us. Oh, yeah. I hear him saying one of them looks like a god. They even recognize you. Hopefully one day the whole world will recognize it's you. You came to show us some love, but not for them other folks. Okay. Hey, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, come on out. All right, here we go. Yep, you can touch my clothes, touch my arm, touch our arms. You can even smell our hair. Nope, they don't smell like no fire. They don't even smell like smoke. Well, you know what? You are really making sense now that our God is the Most High God. That's a good choice. That's a good revelation. All right. So we're going to carry on, but we still not going to bow. If you decide to play the music again, you know, we're not going to do nothing.